friends, today we are going to see exercise 9.1 sixth sum. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Now see here. In our diagram, let this C dash be the tall boy and his height is 1.5 meter. He is standing at some distance from the tall building. So let this A dash be the tall building and its height is 30 meter. Now see here. He is viewing the top of the building from his eyes. So from this C point, he is viewing the top of the building. So the angle of elevation from the C is 30 degree. And after that, he is walking towards the building. Let this D dash be the distance. Let that be the point he moved, where he moved. And from that point, again, he is viewing from this eyes. So the angle of elevation from this D point, it will be 60 degree. So now see here, what we have to find is the distance he walked towards the building. So this CD is the distance he walked. That's what we have to find. Let me assume this as X and let this be BD be Y. Now see here, when we observe this diagram, we have a rectangle here, right? We know a property of a rectangle that the opposite sides are equal. So if this is 1.5 meter, this is also 1.5 meter. The total height is 30 meter and if this is 1.5, this is 28.5 meter. Now let's write the given. C dash is equal to 1.5 meter. That is the height of the boy. And CD is equal to X meter. This is what we have to find. Distance moved by the boy. This A dash, this is the building. Height is 30 meter. So height of the building. Now first let us consider this ABD triangle, right? So in right triangle ABD, we know that at D the angle is 60 degree. We can write that as ADB is equal to 60 degree. See here, if this angle, if this is theta, we know that the side that lies opposite to the angle is the opposite side. And the slant height, the side with greater length is the hypotenuse. And the third side is the adjacent side, right? So here we have to find this y value and we have the opposite side's value. So the ratio we have to include is that must have this opposite and adjacent side. So we will be using this tan theta which is equal to opposite by adjacent. So here tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side is AB. AB by BD. So we know that tan 60 is root 3 and AB is 28.5 divided by BD is Y. So Y is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. See here the denominator is an irrational number. We have to rationalize that. For that we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 3. So we get 28.5 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So when we cancel this by 3, we get 9.5. So this y is equal to 9.5 root 3. Let this be our first equation. Now let us consider this ABC triangle. So in right triangle ABC. See here the angle C is 30 degrees. So we can write that as angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. See here if this is the theta value, we know that the side that lies opposite to the angle is the opposite side. So here this AB is the opposite side. And the side with the greater length is the hypotenuse. And this third side will be the adjacent side. So here we have to find this adjacent side value and we have the opposite side's value. So again we will be using the ratio tan theta to solve this part. So here the angle is 30 degree. It's equal to, see the opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is BC. So it is AB by BC. So we can write this as AB by, see here, BC, we can write this as BD plus DC, right? So this is BD plus DC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to, here AB is 28.5 and this is, see that is x plus y. So x plus y, we can write this as x plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. So now see here, from first equation we have the y value. So from 1 we can just substitute the y value. So we get x plus 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3. So x is equal to, let's take this 9.5 to that side, we get minus 9.5 root 3. So when we just subtract this, we get 19 root 3 meter. This is the distance moved by the boy. See here, in the question, we have to find the distance he walked. So that's what we assumed. Distance moved by the boy is x. So therefore, the distance moved by the boy is equal to 19 root 3 meter. Thanks for watching.